Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Sign into the exact Google account you plan to associate and confirm Wi-Fi is stable. Once done, open Chrome and go to Accounts. Google.com because the browser flow links devices. Make sure two-factor authentication can receive codes on your phone. This prevents account lockouts during enrollment. If you use a work or school account, contact admin first, since device association may be restricted. Otherwise, proceed to sign in and continue to the device settings step. Next, navigate to your Google account security section and view your devices, because this is where associations are recorded. Click Manage Devices or Find Device to prompt an association flow. Google will check device identifiers and session tokens. When prompted, approve the sign in request from your phone or enter the verification code. This step links the laptop's browser session to your account. Make sure to allow cookies and third-party sign-in prompts, so the registration completes without blocked pop-ups. Finally, restart the browser and check your devices to confirm the laptop appears. You should see device name, last active time, and location. If it doesn't show, clear site data or try an incognito window and repeat the sign-in to force a fresh token exchange. If errors persist, temporarily disable VPN or firewall and retry, because network filters can block device registration. One troubleshooting tip: if you still see not yet associated, use account recovery or ask your admin to whitelist device registration for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.